That's a little radio transistor with Man Ki Baat. A 3D printed radio transistor. Who knows what all these children will develop and print in the future. The Prime Minister has asked the students to autograph this little device for him. In just a few moments from now, the Honorable Prime Minister will address these children inside the Talkatura Indoor Stadium, and they are waiting with bated breath for the Honorable Prime Minister's arrival. The Honorable Prime Minister will answer questions of children from all across the country. Some of this will be done virtually, while there are some children who are present here who will ask their questions. And children have excitedly expressed themselves